Make your sound go from this to this under 2 minutes inside Audacity. And if you don't have Audacity, so you can download that from the link in the description. It's a free software. So now without any further ado, let's get straight into it. So when you will first ever open Audacity, you will get an interface just like this. Now let me introduce you the basic tools. This tool right here is for recording your audio, like when you will record a new track. Now this tool is to skip to end, and this one is to skip to start. And this one right here is to stop your recording, and this one is for playing, and this one is to pause your audio. Now let me record our audio. So this is a tutorial of making your audio sound crystal clear. So now first let's play it. So this is a tutorial of making your audio sound crystal clear. Okay, so we got this audio right now. Now first step is to select the noisy area. Like you can see it's a blank area, so we have to choose this first, like this, and then you have to go to effect. After doing that, you have to go to noise reduction. Now you have to click on get noise profile and select your whole clip. Then again go to effect, noise reduction, and press OK. Now it will deduct every noise, every background noise. Now let's play it once more. So this is a tutorial of making your audio sound crystal clear. Okay, so not a big difference, but let's do the second step. Now press Ctrl A to select all of it. Then again go to effect. This time go to amplify. Now it will do everything automatically. You just have to press OK. Now after doing that, it's already selected. Go to effect. Now you have to go to filter curve EQ. After going there, you have to go to manage, then factory presets. Now here you have to click on bass boost. Now press OK. Now again go to effect. Now again go to filter curve EQ. Now go to manage, factory presets, and treble boost this time. Now press OK. Now everything done. The last step, go to effect and then go to compressor. Now make your threshold to -16 decibels and then press OK. Now let's play it. So this is a tutorial of making your audio sound crystal clear. Okay, so that's it. We got the result. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it does, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want me to keep uploading videos like that, then definitely subscribe my channel. I will meet you in my next video. Peace out.